Привет! Как дела? How are you doing? Happy Easter! Today I'll teach you some words related to this holiday. Furthermore, I'll teach you a lot of peculiar facts about it. And of course, you're gonna know interesting facts about our traditions. Let me tell you how do you say Happy Easter in Russian. The first one is the easiest one. S Paской. S Paской. It means with Easter. Let's repeat together. S Paской. Another one is Счастливой Пасхи. Счастливой Пасхи. It means Happy Easter. Счастливой Пасхи. Счастливой Пасхи. Happy Easter. Or another one, Светлой Пасхи. Светлой Пасхи means brightful Easter. Светлой Пасхи. Светлой means brightful. Светлой Пасхи. Guys, let's talk about history. The tradition of decorating Easter eggs and baked goods first appeared in Germany. After the Reformation, 1517, Easter among German Protestants became one of the greatest holidays. Before Easter, we had Lent. What does it mean? You shouldn't eat flour or eggs for 40 days. After Lent, they отрывались по полной. What does it mean? Отрываться по полной means to do whatever you want to do or to eat whatever you desire. Отрываться по полной. Let's repeat with me. Отрываться по полной. And what you can say? Я люблю, I love. Я люблю отрываться по полной. That's what they did after Lent. Over time, showing a little creativity, they began painting eggs and making different patterns for baked goods. This is how Pascha or Kulich appeared. What are the differences between them? Let me tell you. Pascha, this is how Ukrainians call the Easter bread. In Russian, they call it Kulich. Kulich. And I can ask you, тебе нравится кулич? Or тебе нравится Пасха? And you can say, да, мне нравится Пасха. Or, да, мне нравится кулич. Yes, I do. So, where the tradition of painting eggs come from? As the legend tells, Mary Magdalene came to the Emperor Tiberius and told him about the resurrection of Jesus Christ. And he was kind of like, oh, it's nonsense. He didn't believe her, and he told her that it is the same as the white egg turned into the red one. And guess what? At the same moment, the given egg to him was turned into red. So he was really shocked by that. Since then, it is mandatory on Easter to paint eggs in different colors as proof there is a miracle. Что это? What is it? Это кулич. Это кулич. This is the main symbol of Easter. Also a traditional phallic symbol. It was most widespread in pagan cults among farmers. Initially, kulich was baked high, not thick, to resemble an erect penis as much as possible. The white top of the cake symbolizes sperm, fertility. Guys, I would love to tell you about the most popular game during Easter. We call it egg taping or egg fight. The rule of this game is pretty simple. What do you actually have to do? Firstly, you need to boil the egg, obviously, right? And you need to have your opponent. So, you have an egg, your friend has an egg as well, and then you need to tap another egg. And what do you have to do by that? You need to break his shell or her shell of the egg, and try without breaking your own. The person who doesn't break it is a winner. And take a look, the one who has the broken shell needs to eat it. That's it. What is the Rothschild Furberge egg? It is the most expensive egg in the world. Guess the price. 3, 2, 1. It was sold for $18.5 million at the auction in 2007. Why is it so expensive? Because it has a lot of precious stones. Where can you find it? You need to travel to St. Petersburg. They have this Hermitage museum. Guys, let's guess the height of the tallest egg in the world. Ready to know the answer? The tallest egg was made in Italy in 2011. Its height was about 11 meters. It took, and guess how many tons of chocolate did they take? They took around 7 tons of chocolate to make it. Wow, that's unbelievable, isn't it? In Kiev, France, people kept colored eggs throughout the year. Why so? They truly believed that eggs can protect them from fires and, of course, crops from parasites. Guys, the largest egg was made from ice. Which country? Is it Russia? Is it Ukraine? Or maybe it's Italy? Please guess. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. It was made in Russia. And guess the weight of it. It was made in 2010 and the height was 2.3 meters. Wow, that's amazing. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know which fascinating fact blew your mind. Thanks in advance and see you next time. Bye bye.